Do you hear it? They're coming for you. Those flying bugs, that is. Hi, I'm Joseph with Kilt Beard Company. Today we're going to talk about Kilt Beard Company's Outdoor Bivouac Beard Oil. All natural, organic beard bug repellent. So, when I was in Wisconsin, I grew up in Wisconsin, I've been around the outdoors all my life. I've lived in Wisconsin, like I said. I was in the infantry in the army. I've been to many different continents, different climates, different challenges, situations, etc. like that. And one thing that kept coming back to me, I hate flying bugs. So once I started growing my beard and the formation of Kilt Beard Company started to happen, we started to think about how we could have our beard products fit in the lifestyle of men. And one of the things that came up was the men those weekend warriors, those people who are out there on a regular, battling the elements, the environment, and how can we help them? And then Outdoor Bivouac started to come out there. And we started talking about it more and started thinking about it. How can we have a beard oil that is supposed to nourish and hydrate and also keep bugs away without any chemicals? I don't know about you. There are certain sprays out there on the market that gets my beard all crunchy and just weird, and then you start sweating and you start tasting it in your mouth. It's just disgusting. And I wanted something that was more natural, may not be 10 to 20 hours of longevity, but I mean 4 to 5 hours in the woods or camping along the lake there. That's plenty of time. Or I just reapply, right? So Kilt Beard Company's Outdoor Bivouac is your trail armor in a bottle. And it's thoughtfully formulated with botanical oils with both nourish and naturally repel insects. Outdoor Bivouac is designed for outdoorsmen who value performance without compromise. So let's jump into the ingredients. So we have a bug repelling powerhouse here for you. We kick it off with citronella essential oil. It was renowned for mosquitoes and especially kicking those mosquitoes' butt. So we have a natural beard bug repellent on itself that keeps mosquitoes away. But we have 4 other ingredients that we just wanted to get that whole entire loop there and make sure we closed it. So next is lemongrass essential oil. So lemongrass essential oil also repels mosquitoes, so we're doubling down on this. Hate mosquitoes, get them away. And also flies. Biting flies, just those random flies that decide to, hey, you know what, I just want to ruin your day today. We're going to take care of those guys too. Cedarwood essential oil. So you see, cedarwood essential oil deters moths, ants, and ticks. So while they may not be flying around your face, however, pro tip, when you rub the beard oil through your skin and your beard and your face there, be sure to take the excess and put it on your wrists, around your cuffs, and on your knees and ankles if they're exposed. Yeah, that's a great, amazing essential oil that we tripled down on mosquitoes, by the way. Starting to see I don't like mosquitoes, right? Then we have neem oil. So neem oil is insecticidal and antibacterial properties used for natural pest repellents in general. And that kind of rounds it all off right there. So we got 5 amazing natural bug repellents that are going to help you get through your run, your hike, your hunt, your tracking, your camping, your fishing. If you're that person holding that sign out there and cooking up in the sun, well, you don't have to mess with the bugs anymore because we have Outdoor Bivouac Beard Oil, right? So this is an amazing beard oil that I highly recommend you these ingredients synergistically mask the human scent that attracts insects while providing a manly outdoorsy aroma that feels like a deep breath in a highland frost. Like that? Yeah. But there's more. So there's a nourishing core to this. Like I said, I wanted to nourish, hydrate, and I wanted also to repel bugs. So golden jojoba oil. I'm a fan of this. This is probably one of my favorite oils. It mimics the natural sebum of your skin, and it just creates that barrier to protect your skin and your beard in general. Argan oil, great oil, strengthens beard hair, adds shine, which we're not really going for shine, so we're not trying to impress anybody here, but we're trying to strengthen the beard hair because you're going to be dehydrated, you're going to be moving around, you're going to be exposed to the sun and whatever other elements out there you're going to be exposed to those, and we want to protect our beard as much as possible, or strengthen as much as possible. We also have pumpkin seed oil. It's nutrient dense, helps maintain healthy skin under the beard. Dakota, if you've seen him before on our Instagram and Meta and on YouTube here, he will always tell you happy skin is happy beard, and I can't agree more. And then it also has evening primrose and tamarind oils, which are anti-inflammatory, calms redness and irritation. Why is that important? Well, like I said, you're engaged with bugs, you're engaged with twigs hitting your face, you're engaged with the wind, maybe dust, and mud, dirt, sand, all these different type of irritants. You're going to have this already helping you at the core of the pores, so that during and after you are addressing a problem before it even arrives. So I think I've already said who it's for, but if I haven't been clear enough, campers, hikers, fishermen, hunters, backyard grill masters. Like I'm underneath my gazebo right now, and when we're in August and the sun's gonna start coming down a little earlier than I'm gonna go to sleep or go indoors, so I'm gonna stay outside a little bit longer. Well, it gets a little bit cooler, and those mosquitoes particularly get a little bit more braver, and they come out. Well, I have Outdoor Bivouac Beard Oil. I don't have a problem with that anymore. So you don't have to ruin your nights or go indoors soon just to get away from the bugs, because you already have a deterrent from that is not in the aerosol can or have all these harmful chemicals that can potentially do harm to your beard and or your skin. So we kind of sized up all that and gave you all the good stuff on this one. So why it belongs in your pack: it's 100% natural and organic, doubles as skin-friendly insect repellent, supports beard growth and skin comfort, subtle masculine scent for outdoor use, and lightweight and fast absorbing. Just like you, when you're outdoors, you're on the go, you're on the move. This is on the go and on the move with you. So final thoughts are, if you don't have Outdoor Bivouac Beard Oil in your pack, you need to grab yourself some for all the above activities that you are going to be engaged in. And here at Kilt Beard Company, we challenge you to defy ordinary, be kiltaceous. Bye guys.